With the Forms and Survey Builder, and I mentioned forms a couple of times, you have the ability to build unlimited forms and unlimited surveys, so no need for something like a Survey Monkey or one of those other form builders out there. You quite easily use our drag and drop form builder option, so you can plug in whatever information it is that you need and be able, if you need first name, last name, any of the custom fields that you've created, if you want an address, city, state, zip, whatever it is that you need, you plug it right into the system, drag and drop it, save it, and now you can add it anywhere you want. One of the newest abilities we've actually just added into the system is conditional logic on our forms. Now, conditional logic sounds quite complicated, but in reality it's quite simple. You can see here, redirect to URL, display custom messages, disqualify leads. So if a person fills out a form a certain way, you can have different things happen. So for example, if you've got radio select buttons and a person says, I'm interested in this, if they select that, you can have them go to a page for that once they submit the form. You can have custom messages displayed. You can even disqualify leads. So if you have a form that is a lead qualification form and that person fills out the form incorrectly as per your requirements, you can disqualify that lead, send them to a thanks for filling it out page, but not continue along the process with it. So this is really cool. Surveys are the same thing. So in your survey builder, if you want to create surveys to survey your customers to be able to figure out, you create your slides, drag and drop information directly onto the slides. So we click our little plus here. We want full name. Let's say we want date of birth and we want phone on that particular slide, and on this slide maybe we want an address or city or state, right? We can literally just drag and drop whatever information it is we want onto the slides to make sure that we create surveys as seamless as possible. Now once you get into this and you think, hey, maybe I need to ask a question that would be a different question, and so I don't have it here in my list, I can go over here to custom fields and say, these are all of the custom fields that I've created. And I can add these things in here. If I need a person to upload a logo or upload a document for us, whatever may be, and I can add additional custom fields that are added to the Kyrios system right here from within the survey builder.